Guys, it's all removed. Next step is to till it. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we got the patch. I went and got some lime and some gypsum, and then the truck ended up having some issues. Had to take it back to the shop. Still don't know what's wrong with it. It's probably going to have to work on that again tomorrow. That's 3 days in a row we've had to work on that truck, and I'm fed up with fooling with it. Took it in to get an exhaust put on, and that took all day Tuesday. Yesterday, took and got a sticker put on. That took all day. Then today, went to go get some lime and some gypsum, and started getting some really bad noise, like I had a rock stuck in the dust cover or between a brake caliper and the brake pad and the rotor. Ended up taking the shop, pulled both back tires off of it. They were both fine. Pulled out the lot, and there it was back again, making the noise again. Don't know what it is. The noise went away, but now we get really bad vibration, and and sometimes you do get a little bit of grinding still. So I don't know what's wrong with that. But anyhow, come home. It was 8:30 when I got home. It's 9:11 now. It has 8:30, and I spread 2 bags of lime, so 80 pounds of lime on this patch. This is the main garden patch here. So put 80 pounds of lime down and 160 pounds of gypsum down. I'm thinking maybe that gypsum will help keep this broke up. I mean, it does help some of the other places. I've never put gypsum down on this patch, so we'll see if this lime and gypsum won't help it kind of make it grow a little bit better this year. So we're going to start tilling, and we're going to till till it's dark. So yeah, that's pretty much what we got going on. Then we'll just till again tomorrow, get this all tilled in, put all the ground cover back down, all the woven garden fabric back down, and start putting plants in the ground. All right, so all tilled. Took all day to till it all. So tomorrow we'll come out here, we'll run through it one more time real quick, make sure we got it all good and loosened up. And it was like concrete. I mean, it was just like concrete. I've been through it 5-6 times in some of these swipes, sometimes more than that. Right here, we're going to have to go through it pretty good from right here in this row down, and hit that real good. It's just rock. Well, it's not rock, it's dirt, but it's like concrete for some reason. The only thing I can think of, whatever you want to call it, is that there's no organic matter. And because there's no organic matter really in the soil, that it's just turning into rock. So we're going to have to put some organic matter down. So we'll have to find something and kind of put down and help loosen that soil up. And then this winter, probably going to take and pull the fabric up. That'll be the last year I use this fabric right here this year, and then I'll put new stuff down next year. But anyhow, it's what I'll do is I'll just pull this up, plant a cover crop, probably end of September, beginning of October, depending on how everything goes. Plant a cover crop down and plant a bunch of radishes and stuff, big, deep, long tillage radishes and stuff. And then hopefully the plan is to have a tractor by next year. So if I have a tractor next year, I won't have to worry about doing all this hand tilling stuff. Anyhow, I'm gonna continue on with this video tomorrow, so we'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, so today we've got everything figured out over at the longboard trellis for now. We're going to have to anchor it down a little bit, but we've got it tilled up and ready to plant. We're going to be planting some other things. We're going to put down the black garden fabric today as well. Everything's tilled and fertilized over there. So what we're going to do first, though, is these plants need covered. All these pumpkin plants need covered with some sort of a shade cloth. So we're getting ready to install our shade cloth now. So let's go ahead and get that done, and we'll put you on time lapse and bring you back. Well, that sucks. Phone must have got too hot and cut off. So anyhow, we got them up. There they all are. They're all up. I think what we're going to do, instead of going over to the garden right now, what we'll go ahead and do is lay out our drip tape. Since we're already in the pumpkin patch, just lay our drip tape out and get that going. So let me go get everything that we need for that, and we'll be right back. That'd have been bad.
Why are you actually doing this?
Because it needs done.
That's not work.
Huh?
That's not work.
What do you mean that ain't work? This is work. Puh, you do it and tell me it ain't work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me tap on one of them.
Trust me, this is as much work as you ever want to do.
Okay. So let me try. What?
I don't need to let you try.
I'll go get my own.
No, you won't.
Just one.
No, you don't need one.
Not fair. You get to do some.
Baby, this is not even remotely fun. Okay? Not even close to being fun.
Scared of fun.
It's okay. Thunder won't hurt you. Here, you hold these and help Daddy that way, okay? You'll just hand them to Daddy. That work for you?
Yeah.
All right, come on, give me another one. Thank you, ma'am. Show you all what we got going on here. All right. So I was going to cut that right there and put a T in. I'm not going to do that now. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to run it over here like this. Right here. Just like so. Sure, honey. Make a continuous thing here. All right. Bring me a thing now, baby. Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. All right, there's that. Now, here we go. Now we can just lay it like this right here.
I just put all of them right there.
Bring them here, baby. We're going to have to use them. No, just bring them here.
That way I don't have to grab all of them. I can grab one at a time.
Well, we're going to need more than that at a time. So you bring them over here, okay?
I'll bring three. I have a good idea. How about we put them right here where you can
Watch out.
get them. I'll put them right here. That good?
Yeah.
That way when you need them, you can grab them from there. Starting to get hard.
Okay. All right, now, got that laid out. We'll punch holes in a second. Let's find the thing that we need to connect these together here.
That's the thing that connects the things together.
That's an end, T, elbow.
I know that all the names.
Couplings right here.
Couplings? I do couplings there.
Let's see.
Why are you taking more?
Because we got to run it all the whole way down through here. So we got our couplings here. 1-inch coupling. You put, it will connect the two together. These two pipes together. So basically you'll stick it here, stick the other one there, and you'll tighten them up. All right. So
that good enough
stick.
fit for you?
Yep, for now. Yep. So stick this in here real quick.
What does that do?
Just like so. All
Hard.
right, now tighten it down. Like that. All right, there we go. It's tight, ain't going nowhere. Cut this line free.
Next line. That one hard?
Yeah, a little bit.
Next line off.
Let's just start unwinding it real quick. Now, that's your main line here. We'll have to pinch out all these bad spots here. We'll have to pinch them out with a pair of pliers. The only way to get it out. And then, let's see here. Get the drip tape off of here. I mean, get the stuff off the drip line. I think we might have enough to do us here. All of it today. I think maybe. We'll have to see, but it's looking like we might have enough. I don't know. We'll have to see here. Okay, so now got your drip tape here. And then what you gotta have is you gotta have one of these Here. And you take this right here. This is a punch. And you punch a hole in that drip line there. With that. That's the same kind. Let me see. It probably is the same kind. Yep. Alright. So take this, punch a hole in that line, and run your drip line down through there. So before I put y'all on time lapse, I'll show you what we're talking about here. We'll do one easy one right here so you guys can see. It's going to take, yes, I do need to run them lengthwise. All right, so you're just going to take this punch and you're going to get it about center of that pipe as you can. Punch through with it like that, right there. Get your bag of goodies here. Wrong goodies. Let's see, where's the one that I need? Here they are, right here. All right. Take this, put it in that hole where you just made. There that is. And you take your tape here, like so. And emitters need to face up or down? Up, I think. Emitters need to face up. So I need to roll it that way there. Put your emitter in there like that, like so. Tighten it down. Okay. Then you'll have to staple it down too. Get them kinks out of it. Take it to here. Get the kinks out of it here. Like so. And staple it down. Yeah. Yeah. So, oh. Yeah, he's fine. Okay. All right. Now we got that down. You got to get an end put on there. That is how you do it. You do it every however many spaces you want. If you want it every 12 inches, you go every 12, every 18, 16, however long however wide in between you want it. So I'm gonna stick you guys over on time lapse and get this party started. That's a lot of stuff to run. Okay guys, so you can see we've gotten all the drip tape laid out for this first pumpkin plant. I will continue on through here all the way down, doing it just like this every 16 inches or so, putting a line in and going straight down all the way down. We're not going to finish this video today, so I'm going to end the video here. It's going to rain the rest of the day, it appears. I'll probably come out and do things as it's not raining, but for right now, I mean, it's just going to rain, so I mean, it is what it is. So what you've seen, we did get got the shade cloth up. Sadly, our shade cloth sponsor that we had lined up ready to go, that was going to give us a pergola system where we would have ran these poles like this, and we would have ran cables through the shade netting, and we'd have been able to retract it back and forth. They quit communicating about a month ago. They just quit answering emails. They were supposed to be sending stuff here. They said, they asked for the address. They said they were going to ship it, and that was back last part of April, beginning of May. Never heard nothing back from them, so I emailed them several times in May. No response. Last time I told them, you know, could you please at least let me know whether we were going to work together or not, as I need to get something set up over my plants because it's starting to get hot and my plants are planted. They still didn't even respond to that email. So I'll post in the description who that company is. You can deal with them if you choose. I will not be giving them any businesses, nor will I be giving them any shout outs. If you can't even respond to an email saying, hey, such and such came up or whatever, you know, that's totally understandable. But just completely ignoring it is not right. And I literally talked to the head of that company. So, and I have his email address and his phone number. Nothing from either way. So anyhow, we got those set up. You know, it's no different than it has been the past several years. We'll try to sort that out between this year and next. See if we can't find a system that will work here for a pergola system. It was just too late in the game for me to be out here trying to fool with it now. So just do it the way we've been doing it for the past 3 years and cross our fingers and it'll work. Again, we'll be going ahead and putting the rest of this in, the drip irrigation system in. We are short several lengths of this main line here. We'll buy some and use it to finish it out. I think we have enough of everything else, I think, to run the rest of it for everything else. We'll probably do this one right here as one zone, and then I'll probably put in some sort of a bypass or something to run down there and make that a 2-zone down there. We'll have to figure that out. I don't know. We'll have to figure out a way. I may have to come out here and turn every one of these off. And man, that's gonna suck because it'll be like 100 or better down through there. But I'll have to turn all 100 off and turn them back on. Yeah. So anyhow, we'll just have to do what we gotta do. We'll figure it out as we go. But that's the end of this video. So guys, we've gotten it tilled. We're getting it planted. We're getting our drip irrigation system in. Everything's coming along, getting ready to run. So stay tuned. This month is going to be busy, busy, busy. Lots of cool things happening. Lots of growth. We can't wait to get this stuff taken off and running. So guys, from here at the homestead, we appreciate you watching. We'll see you tomorrow right here in the hollers and hills of West Virginia. Peace.
Don't forget to smash that like button. That notification bell. Don't get the
Good job. Here you go. Thank you.
Don't get the
Don't forget to share. Yep. There you go. Good job. And subscribe.